What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rosalie for those of y'all who do not know, but if you do know, welcome back. If you're looking for YouTube tips and tricks on how to start and grow your YouTube channel in 2024, you are at the right video at the right time. So right now we're going to talk about how to start and grow your YouTube channel in 2024. So first, I would like to talk about the equipment you need to start a YouTube channel in 2024. So firstly, you do not need a Sony ZV-1 camera. You do not need the most expensive SD card or whatever trend. All you need is your phone and editing software or a ring light to make your video look more preferable and like you know what I'm talking about. So if there's any background noise in this video, I'm so sorry y'all, but I'm gonna try to remove it. All you need is your phone and CapCut. For the phone, you need a phone with a very good camera quality to start recording your YouTube video and also edit it on CapCut and post it. That's all you need in starting a YouTube video. Or now, in starting your YouTube channel, I'll prefer you open your YouTube channel on a laptop that will have more features to open your YouTube channel, because I don't think your phone will have that much capability or features to enable your information and within to start up your YouTube channel. So if you guys can't hear what I'm talking, like I don't know, it's just it. So secondly, we'll like to know key points, tips, and tricks on starting or growing your YouTube channel is also to focus on your titles. Sometimes you give up word titles that are not in the search fields or stuff like that. People do not look to that title, or people do not really search out that title, or it's not trendy or stuff like that. You're gonna have low views because of that. So I'm gonna give you guys some recommendations of titles you need on your video to help it grow. All your titles of your videos should not be boring, but be creative with your titles. And I'm going to recommend you guys with some titles that's really going to blow up your YouTube channel, just like you know what I'm talking about. So what I'll write to number one is get to know me question and answer. Like for everybody that starts up a YouTube channel, always start up with getting to know me question and answer. Like this really blow up your channel. I did it once when I was in like 50 subscribers on YouTube, and I had like 100+ views, and like that meant so much to me because I was just a beginner. And also to number two is answering the most important question. So answering the most important question is just like something about yourself. Like if even if you're not asked question yet because you're not that popular, just got a question that you would like people to know about you, or answers that you would like people to know about you, and just say answering the most important questions like about myself. And number three is clothing haul. Like most especially Shein clothing haul is the best, like to make your YouTube like video blow up. Like you don't have to like add the price of things you got, like just to say little haul or big haul, like back to school clothing haul, like you know, summer clothing haul, winter clothing haul, spring clothing haul, and just like that, like Halloween clothing haul, like New Year clothing haul and stuff like that. Any kind of clothing haul will blow up, like it will help grow your channel. And also we have our morning and night routine. Like just show the audience how you do out with your morning routine and also the night routine and stuff like that. Also as a high school student or a college student, any kind of morning and night routine will help like spice up your channel, but with a good thumbnail. So let's stick with the title for now. And also we have day in my life as we also have day in my life as a middle school student or high school student or a college student. Like day in my life as you don't have to be a student, but just have a day in my life and stuff like that. So when we're talking about like day in my life, you're just gonna record yourself on a daily basis, let people know or let people see what you're doing on your daily life, and that will be the best like you ever imagined. So number, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, number 6 is what's on my phone. Like majority of the one that goes viral is what's on my iPhone, but I don't think it really has to be like what's on my iPhone. You can also do it like what's on my phone if you do not have an iPhone, or if you don't like to you know, make your number or version of your phone visible if it's not the latest. I know the feeling, y'all. Like right now, I will do that video again because the first time I did it, like I was underneath 100 subscribers, and when I did what's on my iPhone video, it was an iPhone SE, like it got stolen. When I did it at first, right now it's in 300 plus views. Like it really went. So I feel like I should do it again, but right now I have Samsung A14, but we're gonna do it on this video because it's what's on my phone. All I can say is that this what's my phone title is gonna blow up your channel. I don't care how many subscribers, whether you are a beginner or whatsoever, it's gonna blow up your YouTube channel in whatever way. And number seven, I don't know whether it's number seven, but number seven is self-care tips. Show people how you take care of yourself, especially like women, feminine hygiene, your shower routine, like a makeup routine, like whatever. How you take care of this, how you take care of yourself is like most important thing for people to know. Sometimes when you're doing some videos like that, you don't know who you're helping and stuff like that. But some people are just getting so much help from those kind of videos, so that's why it goes viral sometimes when you post, almost often. But I don't really know, not everybody video like exceed, but this I promise you, like you get more views than usual on this self-care tips. And also number seven is cleaning tips, like show people how you clean, and like show people how you clean, or like whatsoever. Just show them your cleaning tips and stuff like that to help out some people that have very like disgusting room, like not that disgusting, y'all don't feel you know so not that disgusting, but just show people how you clean your room and stuff like that. So right now we'll move to thumbnails and talk about your thumbnails. Your thumbnails like need to grab attention. Like when you post a video, you have a great video, like for example you have a great video, but the thumbnail is like this. Like, how do you expect me to click into that video when the thumbnail looks like that? I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it at all. I'm not going to click into that video and stuff like that. But sometimes when your thumbnail like grab attention, like some ways that your thumbnail is going to grab attention is like when you use like a bright color for the words, and like bright pictures and stuff like that. The LEDs and stuff like that just help. So in order to have a very bright thumbnail and a thumbnail that's gonna grab attention, you need to edit on CapCut and also Fonto. This Fonto for Android and this Fonto for iOS users. So I'm going to like put it on the screen, this and this, for you guys to help like edit your thumbnail for grabbing attention kind of stuff. For YouTube thumbnail, if you want your YouTube thumbnail to like fit in the range, like YouTube thumbnail have to ratio like 16:9. That is a YouTube thumbnail, like that is a YouTube thumbnail measurement, 16:9. That is it. If you have anything above or below, not, it's gonna be refused because it's not a thumbnail. And now we'll move to when to post your YouTube video or when to post on your YouTube channel. I prefer that you post Monday and Friday, or post twice a week sometimes if you have, and post once a week sometimes if you have. Like when I say if you have the capacity to do that, you do it at your own way. Sometimes you even post 3 times a week, which is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's also going to be like a good habit for your channel. And also YouTube is going to push your like videos on the feeds for more people to get engaged with the channel. Okay, the time you need to record your YouTube video is from 5 to 9, like from 5 in the evening to 9 o'clock p.m. That's the time range for you to post on your YouTube channel. And also you need to post consistently, like post 3 times a week or 2 times a week. It's going to help YouTube to push up your video on other feeds for more people to get engaged into your channel. So now we'll talk about the music you need on your vlogs or on your videos. You will need a music that do not get copyrighted on YouTube, because if your YouTube video get copyrighted, you are not gonna get monetized and stuff like that. So also you need to search on non-copyrighted music in order for your music to not get copyrighted. And also when your like video get copyrighted from the music you use in your videos, YouTube is not going to push your videos on the feeds for people to get engaged with your channel. Of music that is non-copyrighted, you know what I'm talking about. And also, when you go search for a non-copyrighted music, do not use the music with low views, because many people want to do that non-copyrighted thing because it blow up people's channel as well. Either to like find a non-copyrighted music, you need to get the music with the highest views, like the video with the highest view that many people have used and rated, like, you know, because the ones with the low views, like 200 views or 5,000 views, like some people just love to do stuff that they do not have no experience in, like, you know, but you should do it with quality. So just start with the one with the many views, like start with the many views, like non-copyrighted music, and thank me later. Also, we have extra ways in order to grow your YouTube channel, because I think we're almost done here. Extra ways and monetization is the last one. Extra ways to grow your YouTube channel in using tags. So also your description, you use hashtags on your videos, hashtags that's relating to what's in your video. Like for example, the way I'm doing, like how to grow your YouTube channel in 2024. I will also use hashtags as how to grow your YouTube channel in 2024, grow your YouTube channel and stuff like that, or start a YouTube channel. That's the hashtag I'm going to be using on today's video. And also, you know, the hashtags enable like people to find you, or enable YouTube to put your content on some type of feed, like, you know, that best describe your hashtags that you used. And also your titles can do that too. And also you use tags. Tags help you to like locate like that the viewers that much want to relate to your videos. That's what YouTube do with tags. So you can use as many tags as you want to use, up to 60 tags relating to that video. You don't want to use tags that is not relating to what you are going to talk about or what you are talking about. And also, you like to look like you like to give out a good content or make something relatable for people to understand, or for people to help comprehend with what you're doing or what you're going to say. Because even if you have a different, like, you know, perspective of how things are, or you have a different way of speaking and stuff like that, you would like to, like, you know, improve it so others can hear you. Like, I'm trying my possible best for you guys to really understand me, but that is not how I talk. We have a different, like, you know what I'm talking about. So I hope you guys appreciate it so much. Extra ways to grow your YouTube channel: you have to be active on your community sites, something like that. So if you're not posting your YouTube channel, or you know what I'm talking about, you have to like keep notifying the people on your YouTube communities, which are just the writings you post and stuff like that. And also, let me recommend you just something that really grew my YouTube channel in 2024 this year, over the past 3 months. It's YouTube Shorts, y'all. YouTube Shorts grow your YouTube channel so much. YouTube Shorts will be the best thing. Like, you know what I'm talking about. Just use the most trendy music. Like every day you record at least 3 videos on YouTube Shorts and post it. Like it will, at least one will go viral a week, and then you will have what you want. Like, you know what I'm talking about. You're gonna have a lot and lots of subscribers. Like most of the subscribers I have right now is from YouTube Shorts, and I'm recommending you guys to do a lot and lots of YouTube Shorts in order to have more subscribers and more views, and in order to grow your YouTube channel, y'all. And also, for the last and not the least, we'd like to talk about monetization on YouTube. So for you to get monetized on YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours. That will enable YouTube to monetize you. And also you have to be in a region or a country that get monetized. Like for example, the country I'm in right now, Liberia, do not get monetized on YouTube. But when you have the passion for something, you do it not for the money and stuff like that. But some people are living on this, like they depend on the social app for that, you know, daily life or daily bread. It's what it is. Some people do that, and also I'm not doing it for that because I know when I grow, I'm going to have what do you call this stuff again? Sponsorship. You know what I'm talking about. That is all I'm going to be telling you guys for this video on how to start and grow your YouTube channel in 2024. For more tips, I'm going to drop a new video soon on how to increase your views and get thousands and thousands of subscribers on YouTube. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the subscription button for more information and stuff like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.